Welcome to our channel. Today we how to analyze financial data for business growth, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the key financial data you need to analyze. Focus on the income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. Gather historical financial data for at least 3 to 5 years. Ensure that your data is complete and accurate. Use accounting software or spreadsheets to organize the data. Next, calculate essential financial ratios. Evaluate profitability ratios such as gross margin and net profit margin. Analyze liquidity ratios like the current ratio and quick ratio. Examine leverage ratios including debt to equity and interest coverage ratio. Look into efficiency ratios such as inventory turnover and accounts receivable turnover. Create visual representations of your data. Utilize charts and graphs to highlight trends over time. Compare your ratios and data against industry benchmarks. Identify areas where your business outperforms or underperforms. Dig deeper into trends by segmenting your data. Analyze performance by product line, region, or customer segment. Highlight any discrepancies or significant changes in financial performance. Conduct a variance analysis by comparing actual results to forecasts. Investigate the reasons behind any variances. Consider external factors like market conditions and economic trends. Set specific, measurable goals based on your analysis. Draft a strategic plan to address areas for improvement. Incorporate key insights into your business decision-making process. Review your findings with stakeholders to gain feedback. Develop a schedule for regular financial analysis to stay proactive. Continue to update and refine your methods as your business evolves. Finally, remain flexible and ready to pivot based on your financial insights. This approach will help you effectively analyze financial data for business growth. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.